Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your device and state eligibility so the process won't stall. Once done, position your physical license and face in good light and steady the phone. Facial scans need clarity. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and select driver's license or state ID from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin capturing document images. The app guides you step by step, so keep your license flat and centered as directed. Now you'll capture the ID images and complete the verification flow. Align the license inside the on-screen frame, scan both front and back, and then perform the facial scan. Move slowly as the prompts request head turns or still holds. The system matches your face to the license. Optional extra steps may ask for selfie retakes or confirm address details. Review each captured image and the prefilled personal data carefully, correct any mistakes, and then submit for verification to the issuing authority. After submission, expect a verification notification from your state. Processing time varies, so be patient. Once approved, your driver's license appears in Wallet as a locked item. Access it by authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode when required. If the upload is rejected, don't panic. Retake photos in brighter, even light, remove glare, ensure the entire card is visible, and update iOS if needed before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.